Welcome to Battery Guys with a Z. Today we are installing a battery in a 2015 Chevrolet Sonic. You will need a 10-inch millimeter to take off the negative and the positive terminals off this battery, as it's demonstrated right here. Brian is the master installer today for this install. Normally there is a bracket that's always bracket down a battery in a vehicle, but this car does not have the battery bracket. But normally if yours have one, just take out a 14 millimeter to take off that center bracket. But this car right here does not have the bracket to bolt down this battery. So we're just now installing the world's best battery back into this vehicle. Get yourself a 10 millimeter extension, or you can use a 10 millimeter wrench. Just simply take off the positive and the negative terminals in this car. Like always, you always want to put your positive terminal on first, and then you put your ground back on, which is the negative terminal. Let's get your 10 millimeter wrench nuts or socket, and just tighten clockwise. Just tighten the bolt up down on that negative terminal, and once you do that, then you're going to tighten down the positive terminal. And this is your first time visiting the Battery Guys with a Z channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, because we do upload daily videos of different makes and model of vehicles. You never know, you might have a friend, family, or associate that might need instructions how to install a battery. Feel free to share our videos. We appreciate all the new subscribers to our channel. Have a nice day.